Hi, today I'm making a cream cheese pound cake. So I like cream cheese in the pound cake because it actually gives it more moisture. It's obviously a delicious, tender crumb that is well worth the time and energy to make. So what you're going to do is you will begin with Swan's down cake flour, 3 cups of this sifted flour is better for cakes. I like it a lot. You want to make sure that you even go ahead and sift it again, the 3 cups, into a bowl. The next thing you're going to have is 3 cups of sugar. You're going to have 6 eggs, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1.5 cups of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and of course, Baker's Joy to spray your pan. So I'm going to demonstrate what you do when you want to sift your flour. Again, it is pre-sifted flour when you use cake flour, but I have found that it comes out even better. This was a tip from Beautiful Two Creations with Donna. She does incredible pound cakes. I've learned much about doing pound cakes from watching her channel. I highly recommend it. You want to make sure that your butter and your cream cheese are room temperature, that all of your ingredients are room temperature. This makes a difference in the kind and the quality of the cake you're going to get. Next, you want to cream together your cream cheese and butter. And so you want to blend that together. And as you blend it, you'll see that it will start to lighten. It'll become a bright, sort of soft yellow mixture. You're going to gently add in your sugar. It's really important that you don't overmix this. You want it to be well blended or combined, but not overmixed because it'll make the cake drier. And so you blend just enough to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed. You want to make sure you take your spatula and scrape the sides. Add your vanilla and then add your eggs one at a time. And blend a little bit. Next, you're going to gently add in your flour the same way. You're mixing, but you don't want to overmix. And I know this is tough to do. It takes a little practice. I'm still learning myself. But you want it to be well mixed, but not overmixed. You want to spray your pan with, or your cake pan with Baker's Joy. I've tried other things. Use Baker's Joy. And then next you want to pour in or scoop in your batter mixture into the pan, and you want to basically use your spatula to smooth out the cake batter in the cake pan. Sometimes I bounce it on the counter just to make sure that it's all nice and even. Next, you will bake it in the oven on 325 degrees for an hour and 20 minutes at the minimum. Sometimes it might be an hour and 30 minutes. The way that you'll know that it's done is by sticking a toothpick in the middle of the cake. And if it comes out clean, it's done. If it doesn't come out clean, obviously it needs to cook a little bit longer. Once the cake is done, you can let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then it should sort of release from the sides and be very easy to turn onto a plate. I sprinkle it with powdered sugar, and it's ready to serve.